I'm a legit dog lover. So when LEGITPET asked me to test their dog dental powder, I was so excited. I love anything dog. So first, the packaging is the absolute cutest. It comes in this box, the absolute cutest. This is the 80 scoop dog dental powder. It's clean. It helps clean and freshen those doggy teeth. So I tested it out a couple times, and you just open it up here. I took the seal off, and it has the scooper. So it is fine. Definitely fine. It is easy. It is an easy mix powder. You can sprinkle it on the doggy food. So I just measured it up like that. I didn't do it heaping. I just measured it up, and you can scoop it onto wet food or dry food. Its aim is to help with breath, with plaque, with tartar, and if you're like me, it is nearly impossible to brush your dog's teeth, no matter what you try to do. So this definitely is an aid in keeping that breath fresh and that tartar down. This can be incorporated into a simple daily routine. Scoop on wet or dry food, 0 toothbrush battles. I really liked the fact that my dog didn't even know it was in there at all. He had no idea. And this is what dogs eat. It includes a chicken flavor. So when they smell this, they don't turn away because it smells like chicken. It tastes like chicken. Have I tasted it? No, but that's what I'm told. So, would I recommend it? Absolutely. My dogs, they seem to enjoy it. And anything to help freshen that breath. So if your doggy fights with you, if you try to brush his teeth, this is a low effort, dog approved flavor, and the ingredients make sense for at-home oral care. I do look forward to seeing if my dog's teeth are looking cleaner over time. So I'm going to keep using this and see how it goes.